Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Windows Defender Windows security not working in latest Windows 10 and Windows 11. So now we're going to try and click on the Start button at the bottom left for Windows 10. And we're going to try to search for Windows security by clicking on the search icon right here, right beside the Start button. Type in Windows security, and as you can see, it shows up, but when you click it, it won't open, or when you click on this open option right here as well, it still won't open. Now what we're going to do is click on the search icon again, right beside the start icon, and let's type in Windows PowerShell. And this app should show up, and let's just click on it to open up a Windows PowerShell. And we are going to put a command on this app. Now I'm just going to copy this command, and I will also paste this into the description below, so you can just simply copy it and paste it in this Windows PowerShell. After you paste it, you have to hit enter, and Windows should read that command and fix your Windows security. Once you hit enter, just click on the X button right here to close the app. And now we're going to try to search for Windows security again, and you can try to open that. Or we can also go to the start icon right here and click on the settings icon just above it. And from here, we click on update and security and click on Windows security right here from the options on the left side of your screen. And we can see these protection areas. You can click on one and it should automatically open the Windows security app, like this one. Click on manage settings so you can turn on or off these options as you like. And that is how you can basically fix Microsoft Windows Defender Windows security not working in latest Windows 10 and Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.